Okay, now let's compare what's the difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. Okay, click on copy and move. See it? And it already has that information what you are supposed to do. So just follow the information here. So in B6, create the formula which look at the 5 cells above and copy the formula down through the range B6 through B8. Okay, so in B6, 5 cells above means this one, so we want to just copy it, which means equals B1 is enough, right? Okay, hit enter, and we want to make a copy and copy down, so it's copy and paste, and you have the keyboard shortcuts for that. So select that cell and Control C like that, then go there and Control V, and one more, Control V. Okay, so hit the escape key, then you have copy down by using keyboard shortcuts. And when you see this, it's saying B1, and this cell says B2, because we copy the formula from this cell and paste into this cell. So whenever you change the position of copying material, it also changes that position too, because the actual formula in here is always look at 5 cells above. That's the command here. That's the meaning of it. So when you see B1 or any cell reference in a formula without any $sign, is actually not pointing out that cell. It's always starting from the cell itself, what we want to type in that formula. So in this cell, we are looking for B1, so meaning is 5 cells above. So when you copy down that information to the next cell like that, then from that cell's point of view, it's look at 5 cells above, which copies this one, right? So that's how we got this copy and paste. So even like this. Okay, then what's going to happen if we cut and paste? So in here, it says create a formula in D6 that looks at a B3. Okay, this one again. So we are going to put same formula like that. So these two cells have exactly same commands, but the meanings are different, right? Once again, for this cell, the meaning of that is, okay, you need to look at 5 cells up. But the meaning of that formula is we need to look at the cells 2 left and 5 cells up. That's the meaning of it. So if you copy down this one, once again like that, yes, the next cell is also 2 left and 5 up. So you are going to get exactly same results if you do this way. But if you take a cut of this formula and paste in other cells, let's look at what happens. There is no way to do this way, so you need to use keyboard shortcuts to make cut, right? So Control X is cut, and it suggests to paste in here. So select E6 and Control V. Then yes, this one is disappeared because it really cut and paste into here. Then let's look at what happens. It's still B1, right? It's not changed to C1 because we are not copying it. We just cut the whole information there and place it there. So it only understand, like, no matter where this cell is, the meaning of this information is, the formula is, we are looking at that cell, right? No matter how many you have to move around. So we just keep that information for this cell. So we're still looking at that B1, right? So now if we use that information and copy and paste, we still get the results, but the meaning is you need to move to the left 3 instead of 2. Previously it was 2, but because of the changing this position, the meaning of this formula is from this cell we have to move to the left 3 and go up 3 cells. So that's the difference between copying and cut.